Here is one more example of the model, how to calculate the mode. And to calculate the mode, the sales of 100 companies from the following data. Sales in rupees is given here in the lakhs and the number of companies are also given. So first of all, we have to arrange the table accordingly. Previous example is for the individual series. This is for the class interval. If the class interval is given, again we have to find out with the first formula, that is the observation. So we have to find out that 30 is the largest figure in this company, and this is the, under the observation we can find out this is the modal class. Now I will for example, if you want, you can use the formula to determine the following formula. 64 is L means this one. 64 is the lower limit, and then 64 plus 5, number of items are 5 are there. So we have taken the 5 for that, and plus 5 plus 20 into 2. Difference is there. 2 is the difference from 64 to 66. So that is why we have taken 2 here. And then we calculate. So if I had found out that 64.4 is the answer, and 64.4 comes between the 30. So that is why we have to say this is the modal class. Now we have discussed about the discrete series and the grouping method. So children, you have to be very much concentrate about the grouping method. It is quite very easy. Columns are many there, but we have to be find out easily, and it is interesting calculation also. So here is the table. First of all, what we have to do. We have to arrange the max 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whatever the max is given to us here. This is the max 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, this. And then we have to, in the first column, we have to write the number of the students also, means we have to write in the column first frequency, whatever the original frequency. Now what we have to do, in the column number second, we have to start from the very first column, and we have to add two things, means 4 and 6 equals to 10, 5 and 10 equals to 15, 20 and 22 equals to 42, 24 and 6 equals to 30, and 2 and 1 equals to 3. Now what we have to do, in the third column, we have to leave the first number, first frequency, and then we start calculating in the 2. So here in the first 2 column, we have to calculate the 3, 2, 2. Then we have to calculate the 3, 3. So here again 2, but we have to leave the first column. So 6 and 5 equals to 11, 10 and 20 equals to 30, 22 and 24 equals to 46, and 6 and 2 equals to 8. And the 1 is remaining left. So let it be. Next column, in the column number 4, we have to count 3 numbers, 3 frequencies from starting. Then in the column number 5, we have to lift first one, and then we have to count 3 frequency. In the column number 6, what we have to do, we have to leave first and second frequency, and then we have to count next 3. If last 3 is not given there, so we have to be left them whatever is there according. So in the second column, we got answer of 4, 6 and 5 equals to 15. Then 10, 20 and 22 answer is equals to 66. Then 24, 6 and 2 equals to, 6, 2 and 1 equals to 9. So like that, we have to calculate all the 3 columns, and then we have to make the analysis table. Analysis table, you can write 1 also, and you can tick marks also. So here what we had done, here in the marks we have to written here. And number of columns are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first column, all the things are there, so we have to take all the things. But highest figure is there, 15. So we have to put the mark 1, right mark, or the 1 here. In the column number second, what we had seen, 3 and 14. It comes continuously 3 and 14. In the column number 2, 13 and 14. These are the 2 figures whose number is the biggest number. In the column number 3, 14 and 15. Marks of the 14 and 15 total is the biggest in the column, all the column. So that is 46. So what we have done in the column number second and the column number third, 13 and 14 in the column number third, 14 and 15. Now in the column number 4, how many figures, which figure is the total is accordingly, so 10, 20, 22. 52 is there, means 12, 13 and 14. Okay, now in the column number 5th, what we have seen, 66 is the biggest figure, and 66 is the total of the 20, 22 and 24. That comes under the 13, 14 and 15. So what we had done, we have taken mark the 13, 14 and 15, and here 12, 13 and 14. In the last column, column number 6, what is the observation? 52 is the biggest figure, and 52 is the total of the 22, 24 and 26. 22, 24 and 26 means 14, 15 and 16. So here in the column number 6, 14, 15 and 16. So now we will go through the total, whatever the total is there. So 14 total is the biggest total, and that is 5. So it means the mode of this is the 14. So likewise that this is the grouping method of the mode. To find out the mode, that is a grouping method. Then we will apply the formula of the mode, that is L1 equals to F1 upon minus F4 upon 2F1 minus F4 minus F2 into I. So here we have completed the mode. Now we will discuss the next unit, and I will send the numerical of this chapter.